Hello, everybody. Sorry, I know it's early, but today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to make your own Lego butterfly knife. So I'm gonna take it apart and show you the pieces that you need. So here's the pieces you're gonna need. So this is gonna be like your middle piece. You're gonna need this part to be like your knife, sort of. This part to be like your knife. Let me show you it. If you can see it well, it is a 6-hole long piece. 6-hole long piece. You need 2 of the 3-hole long piece. The 3 of these blue pieces, and 2 of these, and 2 of these 6 pieces. 6 hole longs. However. So now what you want to do, so first you're gonna get this the short end and then put it in. You can get the short end and put it in. So as you can see, as I did this right now, so you want to do this. Hold on, let me do this. I should be able to see me better. And let me flip around the camera. Nice, as you see. I just did this, boom. And then you're gonna take your middle piece, put it on there, but don't leave one out because that won't let it do anything. Then you want to get your 6 pieces, just put them on. Well, then you'll see that you can put them on fully. But then that makes it good, see? Because now that you have this loose, then you can do this. See? It's loose. And there you go. This here is your Lego butterfly knife. And you can plate it if you want, but I don't recommend it. It will probably mess up the performance, but yeah. Elijah the Gamer 60 out. Peace, y'all.